like slime now. It's stretchy. Okay, please. Can I have paper towel?
Hey guys, I'm Liz.
I'm Mariah.
And you're watching
Dinkyland TV.
So today we're doing, drum roll please, unicorn slime. I'm so excited because I've been waiting to do this video.
Me too.
I love unicorn slime. And blue is my favorite color.
Oh, and guys, and if you saw us watch different videos, if you guys saw all other people like us, we did different videos. Like we did it with me and Mom. We did it with Alyssa and Angel. And if you want to see that, comment down below.
So let's get into our unicorn slime. Let's start with our blue. I'm gonna start with my blue because
Me too.
blue's my favorite color.
Me too.
Blue and green.
Blue is my favorite color, and green.
It already looks like slime when it's coming out. Does that look like slime?
Yeah, guys. Comment down below if you think this looks like slime.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh, that sound.
Try this, try this.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we got our glue out. Now it's time to add this.
Our contact system. You got it?
No.
We're only gonna add a little bit at a time, or else it will get very, very
Bad.
hard. Yeah, it's gonna be very bad. You got it?
Yeah. Alright, time for me to mix it. Wow.
So now we're gonna put in the real activator,
Yeah.
which is
Baking soda.
yeah, which is baking soda. I don't know. I've had pretty bad experience with baking soda. Every time that I end up putting it in my slime, it makes it all ew. It's just disgusting. So we're gonna try today. There you go.
Start mixing it.
It's starting to solidify. I can tip it over and it won't be completely spilling out like water.
Woo! Guys, mine is actually mine's like slime now.
Okay, I'm gonna start taking it out and eating it.
We're gonna be doing 3 different slimes. After we're gonna be doing pink glitter glue and then purple. I love slime. This is my slime.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to take it off the sides this way we can use the bowl for the different colors. It's gonna look really pretty.
But what about if someone helps us? What if someone helps us clean our bowls?
Okay, so we finished our blue slime.
My slime is so stretchy. Mine is really stretchy.
Which one do you want to do next? Purple or pink?
Pink.
Pink, okay.
Mine was easy to open. Pink is my favorite color. Also, guys, blue is my favorite color, but pink a little bit. But blue is a lot. It's a lot my favorite color.
Do you know what pink and blue make together? Purple. We have purple.
Oh, we got purple from man.
What?
Mom got purple glitter glue from her man because she bought it from her man. You want to
Did you see the bubble? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make another bubble. I think I can do this.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Wait, you need one more.
God, I need it with my hand. Paper towel, please. It's got it on my hands.
What? Oh, thanks. I got all over my face. Ready? Mix it more. Mix it some more. All right. Here we go.
Woo!
It's like snow upon the land of unicorns.
You know that's not real.
Unicorns? Of course they're real.
Are they, Mom?
Yes, unicorns are real.
The more you mix it, the more it will get hard. Mine's a little bit sticky, but not that much.
It's okay.
Mine's perfect.
It looks so pretty.
Wait, it looks like pink gumball ice cream.
Yes, it does actually.
Okay, here's my slime. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty. Wow, mine looks
Phenomenal, Mariah. That's a tricky word. Comment down below if you know how to spell phenomenal. We're done with our pink slime, so now we're gonna move on to our purple slime, and then we can finally mix them and make unicorn slime.
Yeah, I turned mine into a bowl, but no, it's stretchy.
It's my smile, because my lips are pink.
Okay, we're moving on to our purple one now, and then to finally finish, we get to mix this slime up, and then it's gonna become unicorn slime.
I'm so excited.
Wait, you can for me?
This is mixing blue and pink together, because that makes purple.
You guys have to make sure we have all the glue inside. If we don't have all the glue inside, we wouldn't be able to make the slime because we need like enough glue to do it. Please. Can I paper towel? Got assistant hand to help me. It's not my mom, it's assistant hand.
Okay, now we're going to do
The
contact solution.
solution ng luluso tayo. Okay, my turn.
It just got all over me too. Try not to get it out of the bowl though.
I got glitter glue all over it. Why is the spoon always deep down in there? I got a tooth missing, guys. 2. And I already have a grown-up tooth growing in there. Great. Clear slime. Ooh. Mine's sticky.
It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Hold on.
Whoa.
Wait, can you see me?
That's so pretty. Can you see me, guys? Please.
Just kidding. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Don't eat slime. Only if it's candy slime, you can eat it. You can like eat slime. If you would eat this slime, it wouldn't be good. If you eat candy slime, it would be delicious.
Okay, are you guys ready?
To mix the slime.
I'm so ready. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so ready to mix this slime.
Okay, guys, the moment of truth. You guys been waiting for this game, so we're gonna be mixing these 3 slimes together. Ready, Ace?
Yep.
So ready.
We're gonna lay each one side by side.
Yep. So I'm gonna lay my blue one first because we did the blue one first. I'm gonna put those on the side.
Yeah, it's in order.
Yeah. So we did pink next.
I should have braided them. That would have been such a good idea. Wait, can we braid yours?
No. All right. Now time for my purple slime. All right, guys. We did it.
Are you guys ready? I'm ready.
I'm so ready for this. Whoa, this looks amazing, guys. We have a whole giant slime right here. It's so.
There is my unicorn slime.
I haven't made mine yet.
All right, now do this.
Here's my unicorn slime. It's just like a candy cane over here because like.
Now, whose unicorn slime do you guys think is better? Comment down below with your comments about
That one's mine, that one's hers.
Yes, this one's mine, this one's hers. And stay for the last few minutes if you want to see us play with our unicorn slime.
I like keeping it blue, pretty blue. Whee!
It's like turning into like a bubblegum purple. We learned so much about our color wheel on Dinkyland TV.
Okay, here's our unicorn slime. I got a huge blob of slime.
It was so much fun making unicorn slime together, guys. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a good day.